Did you get kicked out of your main person's room? Huh? Did you get kicked out? Yeah, I know. You got kicked out. The door is shut and now you're here. You're such a selfish lab. Everybody thinks you're so cute. You're so cute. Every time you have to poop, you come to me. Every time you have to drink, you come to me. Every time you have to eat, you come to me. And when it's time to cuddle, you're not here. The only thing that you can do is to cuddle with me. You just refuse to do it. But eating, pooping, suing, everything you want from me. Go, knock the door. Go. Why don't you go?